हाँ बोलो ना।
हम 11 बजे तक रुका, उसका बाद आ गया।
हाँ जी सर।
मोबाइल को सर डाउन दीजिए।
बड़े सर थैंक यू सर।
Something you have to do what? Something you have to do what gets at the building. Thank you, thank you. How about they getting us training? Do they get training to
Yes,
do
sir.
this?
Under PNRNL, capacity building is being done. ये लास्ट ईयर ऑनरेबल सीएम सर ने इनॉग्रेट किया था। सरस मेला भी डेट प्रोशूटिंग एंड
ये 200 की।
यस सर, वॉशेबल।
These are all local from the this side along with it.
Within the station. उधर के पास
Date is 19.
हर जगह ये वाले खुले तो यहाँ पे आके anyone can pick up the book, go to any airport and drop it. That is the initiative we want. Thank you. थोड़ा वो लाइब्रेरी करके एक सिमिलर रैक अक्रॉस
सर बाकी एयरपोर्ट पे अराइवल में लगाएंगे
सेम टाइप ऑफ इकोसिस्टम
Nagar, and today Union Minister is going to inaugurate this Archal airport. It's basically Doni Polo airport, and now you can see behind me, this is a new rural mission stall here inside the departure hall, and now we are going to interact with the secretary.
बजट में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरुणाचल प्रदेश पेमा खांडू सर ने अरुणिमा इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च किया था, जिसके चलते अरुणाचल की सभी SHGs लेडीज़ को ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग और ई-कॉमर्स के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट करेगी। उसी के चलते वी रिक्वेस्टेड एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया कि आज जब डोनी पोलो एयरपोर्ट का नया टर्मिनल इनॉग्रेट हो रहा है तो उसमें हमारी SHGs के प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए एक स्पेस हमको दिया जाए, विच आई एम ग्लैड टू शेयर एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन रेडिली अग्रीड, और हमारे SHGs के लिए ये स्टॉल हमें एयरपोर्ट पे दिया गया है, जिसमें हमारे SHGs के सभी एडिबल प्रोडक्ट्स, हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट्स, हैंडीक्राफ्ट प्रोडक्ट्स, क्रोशे प्रोडक्ट्स सब यहाँ पर आएंगे, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड मार्केटिंग सपोर्ट फॉर एम्पावरिंग आवर SHGs।
मैम इसमें एफोर्डेबल होगा जो रेट होंगे या एयरपोर्ट की कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स है?
नहीं, देयर इज़ नथिंग लाइक दैट, नो एक्स्ट्रा। जो SHGs के प्रोडक्ट्स है दे विल बी सोल्ड एट दैट कॉस्ट। थैंक यू।
सब्सिडी इसको इनोवेट किया जाएगा। ये देखिए उड़ान यात्री कहते हैं तो हमारे साथ, ये देखिए उड़ान यात्री कहते हैं तो हमारे साथ सर हमारे साथ जानेंगे इनकी जो ऑनर हैं RBA, इनके बारे में। सर क्या है आपका नाम क्या है इसके उड़ान यात्री?
उड़ान यात्री अंडर बाय RBA हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड होटल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जिसे अहमदाबाद कंपनी, और एक एयरपोर्ट्स पे हम लोग ने मंत्री साहब के थ्रू से एक अच्छे ये शुरू किया हुआ है उड़ान कैफे मंत्री साहब, और सारे पैसेंजर को अच्छे फैसिलिटी देने के लिए कम रिजनेबल रेट पे ये अच्छी पहले और अच्छी शुरुआत है।
रेट सर रिजनेबल है आपके यहाँ? देखिए हमने काफ़ी रेट रिजनेबल है
जी, रेट के लिए ही तो
सब्सिडी देते हैं आपको।
जी जी।
कितने स्टॉल्स हैं आपके पूरे इंडिया में? मतलब अलग अलग
अभी शुरुआत है, हर एयरपोर्ट्स पे हम लोग कर रहे हैं, और साथ में AI के थ्रू हम लोग कर रहे हैं।
किसी जगह देखा
अभी जो एयरपोर्ट्स पे शुरुआत हुई है मंत्री जी की तरफ से, ये अच्छी पहल और
देखेंगे उड़ान यात्री कैफे में बिल्कुल रिजनेबल प्राइस। हमने आपको जो दिखाया वहाँ जो टेंडर के थ्रू से 400 रुपये 400 रुपये महंगी मिलती है, लेकिन ये उड़ान यात्री कैफे सब्सिडाइज रेट जो ये देखिए आप समोसा अगर यहाँ एयरपोर्ट के अंदर आप खाते हैं 20 रुपये का, और ये रिजनेबल जो रेट है चाय 10 रुपये, वाटर बोतल। उड़ान यात्री कैफे जो इनिशिएटिव लिया गया, ये सब्सिडाइज रेट में जो लोग यात्री हैं जो ट्रैवल करते हैं उनको मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन के द्वारा यहाँ सब्सिडाइज रेट में दे के इसको यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट पे आज डिपार्चर एयरपोर्ट जो टर्मिनल है ईटानगर का डोनीपोलो एयरपोर्ट, उसका आज उद्घाटन होगा और इसका भी उड़ान यात्री कैफे इसका भी उद्घाटन होगा। इस पूरे नए कॉम्प्लेक्स का आज उद्घाटन होगा यूनियन मिनिस्टर के द्वारा।
फर्स्ट थिंग सर, I asked.
That is the flight. Ready, sir?
Very unlike airport. Arunachal Pradesh and the Government of India, we have completed the terminal building today and we are starting operations today also. And for the NDA government, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, civil aviation has been a very important sector, and the kind of growth we have seen in the last 11 years is no match to any other country in the world. The number of airports have doubled, the number of aircraft fleet has doubled, and the number of passengers has also doubled in the last 11 years. With a growth rate of more than 10%, if you consider different sectors in the country, aviation is the only sector which has grown at this pace and which has created this kind of impact in the country also. And if you consider Northeast, the biggest challenge for the Northeast was the connectivity. So our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has put special focus on Northeast areas, and especially on the state of Arunachal Pradesh, which is an integral part of the Northeastern region. And we have created not only one but multiple places through which civil aviation operations can happen in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. One, presently we are at the Hollongi Airport, which has also started in the 2022 year, and then we have Pasighat, and then there is Teju and Zero airports also. All of them under the NDA government, they have progressed, they have developed, and now they are ready for civil aviation operations. In the Hollongi Airport, earlier for temporary operations until this building was completed, we have created another building which is still operational, and that was with the peak hour capacity of 150 passengers. But now, considering the potential at which the state of Arunachal can grow and the city of Itanagar can grow, we have created this terminal building with a peak hour capacity of 800, which will handle up to 15 lakh people per year also. So that is the capacity of this building. And now with this capacity, our challenge remains to give more connectivity. Today at this point of time, the Holongi Airport, the Itanagar is connected to Guwahati, Kolkata, Teju and also Delhi. And now we are putting special efforts so that we can increase the connectivity in the coming days. And I would also like to share the good news that earlier the connectivity to Delhi was 4 days a week. But from September 17th, we are going to increase the connectivity from 4 days to 7 days a week. So every day, with the help of Indigo, you will be able to fly to Delhi every day, which is a very important sector to connect. So that is one advancement that we are going to do in terms of connectivity. And there have been multiple requests also from the state government and from the Chief Minister also, who is very, very dynamic and who closely follows up for the development of civil aviation in the region. Not only with the airports, but also heliports also, which is equally important for within the state connectivity, from reaching from one district to the other or capital to other districts. Sometimes it is a challenge to build an airport in every area that we think of civil operations. So it is important we connect them through heliport operations also, and that is something which we are going to do in the coming 10 years under UDAN, extended UDAN scheme. You have seen the biggest revolution in the civil aviation sector has come after we have launched the UDAN scheme, which was a brainchild of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, to improve domestic connectivity, to improve regional connectivity. Where the airlines were thinking these are unviable routes, the government itself was providing the necessary support, the necessary spark, so that the routes get started, and through which we were able to start more than 700 routes in the country over the last 8 years. With the success of the UDAN, the central government has decided that the UDAN is going to be modified and extended for further 10 more years. So that is a great assurance for the regional connectivity and also the new airports that are coming in the country. We have around 162 airports today in the country. And if you look at the target that we have, the next 5 years we have 50 more airports coming. And in the next 20 years, the plan is by Viksit Bharat 2047, where we want to see a developed country, we want to have more than 350 airports in the ecosystem. So with so much infrastructure, how do we provide connectivity between the airports is still a big challenge for us. So that challenge is being addressed by the UDAN scheme. It has been truly revolutionary and a very successful scheme. So that is something which we are going to extend for 10 more years. And one important thing in the modified UDAN is also that all the northeastern states, the hilly regions and all the aspirational districts, there we want to extend the air connectivity by providing heliports in those areas. So that is a good aspect of the UDAN scheme for the coming days, that the northeast, especially the state of Arunachal Pradesh, also can use in the coming days. So we are creating a plan which we are also having the third Northeastern Summit also, and also the Northeastern Ministerial Conference also today itself in Itanagar. And we thank the government of Arunachal Pradesh for providing all the support to host these two events. These are very important from the state point of view, who have so many different varied amounts of issues to coordinate with the central government. Earlier, the way to address these issues was the chief ministers coming to Delhi, sitting with the government, sitting with the ministers and trying to solve them. But today we are coming to the states, we are extending our helping hand, we are discussing many issues with them on the ground in reality and trying to achieve the solutions. So these two summits that we have today are going to be very, very important and are going to provide the platform to address many of the issues which the states are facing, especially the northeastern states. And today we have the Chief Minister of Mizoram also attending, and ministers from Sikkim and Assam who are handling civil aviation also attending, and all the representatives from the other northeastern states also attending. So it is going to be a very successful conference today. And we would also like to tell the states that any kind of issues that you have, you can let us know so that we can work it out from our side, from the Government of India side, so that they can be addressed in a very timely manner. And one important initiative that we have already also taken is the UDAN Yatri Cafe. You would have already heard many a times the feedback from the passengers also, because now